dear friends, my name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is going up again. After the 1000 pips fall or 1000 pips correction, we thought that there is a possibility of market going down or gold would remain sideways for the next few days. But we can see that gold is going up again. And my dear friends, again, it's better and safer to be on the buy side only. So if you already have taken a buy on gold, be on the trade, no need to exit because further upside is possible. And if you're looking for fresh positions, then my dear friends, following the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, it's better to be on the buy only. Because you can see gold rises eyes on middle extensions. Gold gains on safe haven buying. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And in this present scenario, there's a high chance that we may get to see further upside on gold. Because if you look at the geopolitical scenario here, then obviously things are not very positive. Okay, there is no solution yet. So if the same market sentiment remains, then obviously we will see gold above 2400, 2450 very soon. After all, the situation is not very positive globally. So again, I'm repeating, if you already have a buy on gold, be on the trade, no need to exit, further upside is possible. But if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, try to be on the buy side only, because if you take a sell, then there is a possibility of getting trapped. And if you're already trapped on a sell position from 2100, 2200 level, then my dear friends, try to exit a retracement, because if the market continues the bullishness, then there's a high chance that you will be losing your capital very soon. Sometimes it's very hard for us to exit from certain positions where we see that we would be losing a big amount of money, but if you do not exit at the right time, okay, you will be losing your capital. So take the decision wisely. My dear friends, if you're tired of trading signals and if you're looking for signals of your own, then you can definitely check out Chart Prime. In this channel, we have been talking about Chart Prime for a long time, my dear friends. And if you're new to the channel, then you can definitely check out. You can see Market Oracle Pro generates signals on the chart like this. So if you do not have time to analyze the market, okay, then you can use the signals to make money. But yes, risk management is important. Okay, and you can see at the bottom we have Prime Oscillator Pro that not only generates buy and sell signals, but it also marks the divergences for you. This is the website of Chart Prime. You can see they have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle, Market Dynamics, and Prime Oscillator. If you want to know more about them, you can go to their tutorial section. They have a long list of videos that explains how the indicators work and can elevate your trading game. At first, you can check out their premium monthly, because they also have a 7 days money back guarantee. In case you don't like it, okay, then you can obviously ask for the refund. But I'm pretty sure that you will be liking the service and you will also be making some money. So definitely check out Chart Prime. The link will be in the description. Okay, my dear friends, so let's discuss the trading opportunities. So you can see that I have drawn many lines on the chart. Don't get confused. I will be explaining one by one. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about the black line at the bottom. The black line at the bottom is standing at 2262, or you can say that around 2262 to 2260 area, far away from the current market price, so no need to focus much. This line is from the daily chart, and in case market shows extreme selling pressure, then this line will come for the rescue as the support. But at this moment, we do not have any possibility as such. So let's not waste time over the black line or 2262, 2260 area. Okay. So before this black line, we have the next big support around 2300 to 2295, the blue box that I have drawn here. As we all know that 2300 is a round number, it's a psychological support. Along with that, you can expect in case market shows extreme selling pressure also, Okay, obviously no level work as a pinpoint level, but around this level 2300 2295, you can expect the market to bounce. If not a trend reversal, at least you can expect a good bounce of 100 to 120 pips around this area. So let me show you one more thing here. 2300 is a round number. Okay, along with that, you can see when we are using FIBO here, along with 2300, we also have FIBO 50% retracement level around the area. Okay, so 2300 2295 is a good level if market surprises us with heavy selling pressure. Okay, but this level is also far away because right now market is trading at 2388 and we are talking about 2300. So where is the current immediate support then? Immediate support is around 2330. Remember 2330 yesterday? Okay, we had the buy opportunity around this area. So this zone is still very much valid. Okay, 2300, or you can say 2325. Okay, around this area you can expect the market to take support and bounce. Okay. Around the previous support, you can also see one more thing here, the 200 moving average is coming up. So during the day, okay, the number may change a bit. So you can also see market taking support around 2340 as well. Okay, 2340. I cannot give you the exact number right now because this is a dynamic support. So the first level is around 2262. Then we discuss about 2295 to sorry, 2300. Now we are discussing about 2330 to 25. Okay, these are the three support levels where we can look for the market to take support if market shows heavy selling pressure. Okay, but all the levels are far away. So do we have any immediate support? Yes, we do have some immediate support levels, but they are not very reliable. You can see on the middle of the chart also we have two lines, 2365 and 2358. These are the two support levels where you can look for a buy, especially during the Asian and European session. Why not US session? You must be wondering. Because during the US session, if market comes down with heavy selling pressure, these levels will not be able to hold the market. Because to hold the market, to hold heavy selling pressure, we need strong buyers. And around these areas, we do not have strong buyers. We have strong buyers only around the levels that we discussed just few seconds or few minutes ago. Okay, but if market shows some downside with less volatility, then only you can expect the market to bounce from these two areas. If you're wondering why 2365 and 2358, then we are using FIBO from this particular low point of the chart here. And we can see that during the day, we can expect the market to take support. If market takes support, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. Okay, but otherwise, if market surprises us with big red candles, then obviously look at the 200 moving average and the levels that we discussed. There are so many levels on the market, but the reliable levels, okay, are far away. So be careful. And if market doesn't come for retracement, okay, and as we can see right now the market is going up, then what can we do? We can look for a buy above 2393. Okay, if you see the market crosses the red level here, or not red level, red level. If market crosses this red line here, okay, we can look for a buy. We can look for a buy above 2393, considering it is a breakout. But as we all know, breakout, okay, can be a little bit dangerous sometimes. It can be risky sometimes. So follow proper risk management. For example, after 1 hour, if market crosses 2390, then obviously we need to be careful because we can clearly see right now that there is not much volume in the markets. The size of the candle tells everything. So if you see market going up with side of the candles like this, then you can easily go for a buy. It can be considered as a buy breakout. But if you see market going up with small candles like doji, do you think you should rely on it? Obviously no. So be careful and follow proper risk management if you see market going above 2393. Okay, and you can see I have drawn a line around 2408. Okay, 2408. is a level where you can look for a sell if you are a daredevil kind of a trader, risky, okay, risky trader. If risk is your middle name, then only you can look for a sell around 2408 for 30 to 40 pips. Not for everyone, especially if you're a beginner, if you're in a tight position, unable to risk anything, then do not take a sell. In this market condition, selling is not a good thing. But on all the charts, we have buy opportunities, sell opportunities. It is my duty to discuss, so I'm just pointing it out. How do from where we have derived this level? Again, you can see our level has been working a fine job. Okay, so we are expecting the market to reverse, not reverse. Okay, we are expecting a market to show at least one red candle around 2408. So scalpers can make some money. Again, but not for everyone. So let me wrap it up. So my dear friends, considering the present market sentiment, there's a high chance that market will be bullish in the coming days. So if market continues the upside, it is better to be on the buy side only instead of looking for reversals. If you already have taken a buy, be on the trade, no need to exit. And if you're looking for fresh opportunities in the market, try to be on the buy. And if you're stuck in a sell, try to exit as soon as possible. The best support to go for a buy on the chart of gold is around 2262, but it is far away. Before 2262, we have supported on 2300, 2295, but that is also far away. Another reliable level is around 2300, 2325, the blue line here, but same problem. It is also far away, around 500 pips away. So we are focused on the immediate levels like 2358, 2365, but they are not very reliable because we can clearly see on the chart that the FIBO is little weak, and yes, price action is also there, but in case market shows heavy selling pressure, big red candles, this will not work. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement at all, we can look for a buy breakout above 2390, but volume is important, so let's wait and watch. Scalpers can look for a sell on 2408 if you love to take risk. Personally, I may avoid, I'm not sure. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold as of now, my dear friends. Thank you so much. If you have liked the video, press the like button. Yeah, I have learned to say it. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. You can also follow me on Instagram. This week I'll be coming live, okay, on Instagram again after a long time. So that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. We are traders, not gamblers.